My youth, let's go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How are you saying him?
Yeah, Jebba.
Oh,
Boy, I call Connie Bud. Say the Connie Bud tell him so.
The cunning bud never tell me about she stop and buy medication.
You're a ass boy like a human.
Yeah, man.
You see you, man?
The cunning bud never. The cunning bud say different things.
No, but you did promise to tell the Connie
No,
Bud.
no.
Say I can go do your
No, me tell the cunning bud say me don't carry him go make him cut in here. He say, Tommy, me can get me here cut an hour. So the money when you know use cut here, you can help him buy some medication. Cunning bud never tell me about no in a mobile me don't do it.
I saw you tell him.
You?
I saw you tell him.
So what?
Say
Me tell you,
you can't get your hair cut cheap up here. Mm.
Instead of me can get me hair trim up and now at a later day.
Yeah.
So money we must take pay for trim me now. Give me that money and buy some more medication because medication done.
So maybe more give you it same way if you buy.
No, but him say him tell me say if you stop that mobile, I forget it.
You did. You did tell him if you stop a pharmacy downtown.
Any cunning bud say yes, I lie tell.
Man, now who you call cunning bug? Man, me no want you no fuck about no cunning bug, yeah, man. Because I pay a joke you take these things back. How you tell some man?
Oh yeah.
I know Connie Bug he said no.
Wait.
Connie Bud.
I won't hear some.
Are you back?
I mean, give you some.
Yeah.
Oh God. No sir. Jesus Christ.
Are you back at Connie Bud?
And this one, you gotta be so come. Me see it. I put up, come. Me never come a work here.
We say,
As my time then come no come there no. Right no bad no.
we say, the little cunning bud I tell life for me man. I don't know why the little cunning the bud. I keep up. Look and Kiki Poop.
Oh God.
Look and Kiki Poop.
That is good.
Everybody.
Yeah, God. Bull.
Everybody. Uncle Jim, no call me someone. Joe, look at my Uncle Jim laugh after me.
Hey, Bull. How you ready?
Kiki Poop. Joe.
Oh God.
Hey Joe, make Kiki Poop laugh after me. I'm Kiki Poop.
I saw no stay, man.
Eh?
I saw no stay.
Kiki Poop, what are you?
Go first, man.
Eh? Yeah, me used to one time I go up the road. And I go up the road and he want to poop and he put me on fire. And it is a kick, so. Kiki Poop.
Bull.